Hi, I am Santosh from Maths on Phone. In this lecture, we will study basics of binomial theorem, how to deal with different terms of binomial theorem and the binomial coefficients. The basic binomial expansion of x plus y to the power n is nc0 x to the power n minus 0, that is n, y to the power 0 plus nc1 x to the power n minus 1 y to the power 1 plus nc2 x to the power n minus 2 y2, like on it goes on ncn x to the power n minus n0 y to the power n. So firstly we have to understand why this is called binomial theorem. Do you know? Because it is containing two terms. That is why it is binomial theorem. If containing three terms, trinomial. Containing multi terms, multinomial theorem. So we are concentrating on binomial theorem, how to write different terms of the binomial theorem. What pattern it is following? See here, it is starting from nc0. Power of the first term is difference of n and 0, that is n, and power of the y second term is 0 here. If it is nc1, power of x will be difference of that, n minus 1, and power of y will be 1, like that. What pattern you are observing here? First question, if I ask, how many terms are there in the expansion of x plus y to the power n? Can you answer? It is starting from 0 and ending with n. So definitely you can predict that are there. Okay, if I say x plus y to the power 8, how many terms will be there? Definitely you will say 9 terms. Okay, now what pattern you are observing here? In the first term it is nc0, second term nc1, third term nc2. If I ask what is 8th term, make a guess. It will be nc7. If it is nc7, then power of x, that is the first term, will be n minus 7 and the power of the second term will be 7. Next, if I ask if it is nc10, x to the power, of course, what will be? N minus 10 and y to the power 10. Which term is this? Can you guess? It is 11th term. So what observation we are making? That r plus 1th, that is the general term, is written as ncr x to the power n minus r and y to the power r. From this formula you can find any term of the binomial expansion, you can find any binomial coefficient. These are binomial coefficient nc0, nc1, nc2. Suppose I need to find x minus y to the power n formula. No need for going some extra formula. You can derive from this one. You just write nc0 x to the power n. What is y here? Can we write this as x plus minus y to the power n? So here the second term is minus y. So it is minus y to the power 0. nc1 x to the power n minus 1 minus y to the power 1. So it will be negative here. Same way nc2 x to the power n minus 2 minus y to the power 2. This way you can just find the expansion of x minus y to the power n easily. Now suppose I need to find the expansion of 1 plus x to the power n. This is very important thing I am discussing. It will be first term is 1, second term is x. So you just follow the pattern nc0, first term 1, 1 to the power n, it will remain 1, you know. Second term x, so x to the power 0. nc1 1 to the power n minus 1, that will remain 1, x to the power 1, nc2 x square. So easily you can find the pattern of 1 plus x to the power n, that is nc0 plus nc1x plus nc2x square plus nc3x cube, like on. We need to find 1 minus x to the power n. What that will be? That is nc0 x0 minus nc1 x, because if you write minus x to the power 1, it will be minus. So wherever odd power of x is there, it will be minus. Even power of x, it will be positive. So plus nc2 x square. If I need to write nc3, minus nc3 x cube. These are very important expansion, 1 plus x to the power n and 1 minus x to the power n. One important result I am doing here, we know x plus y to the power n. X minus y to the power n will be, you follow the pattern, nc0 xn y0 minus nc1 x to the power n minus 1 y1 plus nc2 x to the power n minus 2 y square, like that. If we just add up them, this plus this, that means x plus y to the power n plus x minus y to the power n, what you will be left with? You see that the terms which is containing odd power of y will cancel out. So we will be left with nc0 2 times. So 2 times nc0 x to the power n y0, 2 times nc2 x to the power n minus 2 y square. Same way nc4 x to the power n minus 4 y4, like on, we will just get the odd terms. If we now subtract x minus y to the power n from x plus y to the power n, what will happen? On subtracting, the signs will change, here minus, here plus, here minus, like that. What is happening? See here, x plus y to the power n minus x minus y to the power n. The terms which is containing even power of y are cancelling out. This will cancel out. This will cancel out. And the terms which is containing odd power of y are left over 2 times. So it is 2 into nc1 x to the power n minus 1 y to the power 1 plus nc3 x to the power n minus 3 y3, like on. So these are very important derivations. Just remember that formula. You will find very much convenient in solving the problems involving such type of expression. Hope you are understanding. Thank you. Bye bye.